welcome back to the channel. This will be the third out of 5 tutorials on how to make felt flowers. Today we'll be making a peony. You will need the following materials: a glue gun and glue stick, 9 by 12 inch acrylic felt sheets, cardboard template, a pencil, and scissors. We will start with our 9 by 12 inch acrylic felt sheets. Mark off an 11 by 11.5 inch strip to create the center of our flower. Grab your scissors and cut out the strip. You should end up with something that looks like this. You'll now take your felt strip, fold it in half, and glue the top edges together. Next, take your scissors and cut diagonal slits halfway into your strip. Repeat this process along the edge of the entire felt. You should end up with something that looks like this. You will now start rolling the strip up. Make sure that the bottom of the part of the strip is aligned evenly as you roll. Secure the end with a dab of glue. Great! We can now set this aside and move on to our felt petals. Similar to our anemone tutorial, you will cut out a teardrop template, but this time the top of the flower petals will be wavy rather than flat. Place your template on your acrylic felt sheet and sketch out 10 petals. You should end up with something that looks like this. Next, we will glue the bottom of our petals and clamp them together like so. You should end up with a crease that looks similar to this. Repeat the process for all 10 petals. Start by taking 5 petals and evenly attaching them around the center of the flower. Use your glue gun to do this. Attach the last 5 petals between the spaces of the previous petals. Once complete, you should be left with something similar to this. This felt flower makes a great addition to your felt flower collection. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, the links will be provided in the product description below. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.